Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S11 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find display. Now let's scroll down and localize the option navigation bar. And here, as you can see, we've got 2 different options. Right now we've got buttons, and before we will set the gestures, I just wanted to show you that here in more options you can reorder them and change the button position from the right to the left. It's completely up to you. To set the gestures, we have to simply tap on this animation, and instead of the 3 buttons which were right here, we've got this line in the middle which is responsible for some gestures, some actions. Here we can open more options, and basically we can change the gesture sensitivity to be lower or higher. But to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gesture, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be changed. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the left side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so do something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And after releasing, here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.